Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find good deals on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're shopping on Temu. How do you actually know if something is a good deal? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to find good deals on Temu, what I normally do is first I find it on Amazon. So this is an example of an item that's on Amazon where it's $280 for, let's say, we'll do one piece, okay? So $150 for one piece. Here we can apply a $20 coupon, and that gives us down to $150. Now, in order to find this item on Temu, I normally copy and paste the title. And so we'll just do this one, tall modern nightstand with charging station. Actually, we'll copy the entire title. And then we'll type it into Temu. And then when I look for the item on Temu, I'm actually looking for very similar product images. So the first one here actually catches my eye. So notice how this one is black, and then this one here is brown. But they actually do sell a black version, and you could actually see it's the same exact item. So if we click on this item from Temu, you'll see that the quantity is 1. Here is the oak version. So you can see that the items are really identical, okay? But for one of these on Amazon, it's going to cost $150. But on Temu, it's going to cost about $85. So that's the best way that I've been able to actually go ahead and find good deals on Temu, is by finding it on Amazon first, and then buying it on Temu second. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.